Hello, welcome to another Parweld TV. Today we're going to look at the new XTT 315 die and its multi-features, especially with the different types of waveforms in this machine. So starting with the main menu here, going to go for high frequency TIG, select gas or water cooled if you've got water cooling. Obviously it's going to be water cooled, but here we're going to go select gas. AC current, 2T or 4T. We're going to go for 2T. We're going to go for no pulse on AC. And this is our main welding current now here. So now we're going to go to the advanced menu, press onto the advanced menu, and you'll see the highlighted AC, which is in white. The rest of the menu is dulled out, so it's not going to be functional. So if we look at waveform at the top there highlighted in green, it shows on there. So by pressing it, we can switch that off, but highlight the on or off in white to make sure that it's worked. And then move over to the waveform, which is square wave. Press if you want to change the square wave to a softer square wave. Change again to a triangular wave, and then go to a sine wave. The different functions with these waveforms work very, very well with aluminiums especially. So the square wave gives you a nice strong arc, both on positive and negative, maximize on heat. The slightly square wave is not as hot, but still works very, very well, wets out very, very nicely. The triangular wave, which is also on here, which is a new feature, is very good for thinner material, 1.6, 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter thick. And the sine wave gives you a more smoother, softer arc. And the heat input is in between the triangular one and the soft square wave. So now we've selected the sine wave, which is flashing. So we're going to go and select that now. We've got that. So that's ready to weld. So let's see what that looks like when we weld.